Everyone, back again with a new tutorial. So here I'm going to make a new video on a game which is TikTok. So we also call it as Zero Kati or Cross and Zero. So yeah, this is the game regarding which I have built application, and it was recently asked in Cars 24 interview. So they asked a candidate to build this zero kati or a cross zero game. So I'll show you what I built, and after then if you guys require I can also build a step-by-step tutorial so how I built it. So first of all, this is the game UI, which is over here we have a reset button, we have the player. So in this we have given a first turn to the X, which is across as well. So for example, I'm going to select over here. Now it's the turn for the zero. Maybe let's suppose zero have selected over here. Now next is the turn for the X again, and I have selected over here, zero selected over here, X again selected over here, then zero selected over here, and X, you can see X has been over X got been over here. Okay, so now after that we can reset a game, and in between, for example, player decided they want to reset, they can reset over here again. And this is the way this this is the new game that we have built, and hopefully you guys liked it. So in this case, if you can see, this game has been drawn. So yeah, looking forward for your responses. If you guys want me to create a step-by-step tutorial for this, just leave your comment, and please do like and share and subscribe to my channel. I'll create more such videos of what exactly can be asked in the interview. And yeah, I would love to give the tutorial on how I built it, but before that I just want you guys uh, that please give me a support. If you give me a support, I will surely going to make a video on that. And yeah, thank you.